Welcome back to Belle's Ideas. Let's get started on this next video, which is super important for me because it helps me sleep and it also calms my nerves. And it's a few steps to make. I make it every night right before I'm gonna go to bed. So I wanna take you through the steps, and maybe you all can try it at home and see if it works for you. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what you will need. You will need 1 cup of almond milk, already heated. I warmed it up in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Of course, if you want it warmer, or hotter, it's totally up to you. Then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric, there's a lot of benefits to eating turmeric, and I'm going to put a link for you guys down in the description so you can read it. I love turmeric. There's really a lot of benefits to it. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're gonna also add, which is our last thing, is 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, and then we're gonna stir it really good. All right, so here is the drink. And I've really got to tell you guys, this is so helpful for me. So this is why I wanted to share it with you all, because it really greatly helps me sleep and calm my nerves. And I prepare it every night before I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know if I said that, but I really would like for you all to try it if you're having the same trouble, as I am, because it really does make a difference for me. So thank you all for watching, and leave me comments if you guys really like this video, and if you guys tried this and it helped you. I would love to know. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.